Hi, today we're going to demonstrate how to leave a Google review in less than 2 minutes. To begin, you need to sign into your Gmail account. Now if you don't have a Gmail account, it only takes a few seconds to set one up. Once you've signed in, go to Google and search for the business that you would like to review. Now within the listings, both the main and the local, you'll notice a little button under the listing that says Write a Review. By clicking on that button, you can bypass the Google Plus page of the business and begin writing your review straight away. The first option you have is to rate the business from 1 to 5 stars. You can then describe your experience, such as the customer service, or what the team was like, and perhaps your overall experience. This feedback is both valuable to the business and also to members of the public that are thinking of using the business in the future. Now once you are happy with your review, simply hit the Publish button and there you have it. Your review is completed in less than 2 minutes. Thank you for watching and we hope that you found this useful.